So the first thing you're going to have to do is remove the old knob from your Ryobi miter saw. And when you do, chances are it's going to leave behind this part here, which is actually a round nut. And that nut has to be removed before the new knob can get put on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the threaded rod from inside here, and I'm going to push that way because it's spring loaded. I'm going to push it so you can see, give a little bit of give here. I'm going to take this nut off, and you can see that's what the old nut looks like. You got to take this off. Now I'm going to take my threaded rod out just so I can show you exactly what it looks like here. And if you look at this rod, it's very important because it's got two diameters. The outside threaded part is a skinnier diameter than this part. So it goes skinny and fat. Your rod has to look like that. If it's all one diameter, then it's the wrong rod and this knob will not fit. So let's put this back in. It's a little bit of wiggling here. Go. And again, I'm going to compress this because it's spring loaded, so I'm going to put my hand right there and I'm going to compress it as hard as I can. Now I'm going to take the new knob and I'm going to just put it right over this end here. But if you notice, before I do that, I've got the fat end sticking out a little, and you have to have that done. So take my new knob, put it on there, screw it on, screw it on, and you're going to I'm keeping pressure on that rod there to keep the spring compressed. And you keep turning it and turning it and turning it, and eventually it's going to get to a part where I feel resistance. It's very tight at that point. I can't turn it anymore, and I'm done. That's it. It's installed, and now you've got a new knob. Thanks.